Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to Raska Papercraft YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model, this 3D origami basket, and with this beautiful flower, Versailles Rose by Krystyna Burczyk. For this little basket I will use two colors, a light and a dark purple, but you can use any color, one dark and one light color. And I will use large 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 32 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. These pieces are made from this rectangular of paper with the dimension 5.4 by 3.6 centimeters. I use normal printer paper, 80 grams per square meter. And I will make very quick a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these pieces, you will find several links in the description of the video. I finished the 3D origami piece, but you can see there is a huge difference between these two, and now I will transform this. I use 6 large pieces connected together in a row. I put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. They are very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. Now we start with dark purple pieces, and first I will show you how I glue 3D origami pieces. I use a paper solid stick glue. You can find this kind of glue in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces like this. I glue every piece and I recommend you to do the same. And now we will glue 3D origami pieces like this. The first two rows will be dark purple pieces, and in the third row we alternate one light purple and one dark, in this way. And we connect pieces like this until we have 14 pieces in the first row, 13 pieces in the second, and 12 pieces in the third row. I complete all these rows, 14 pieces in the first row, 13 pieces in the second, and 12 pieces in the third. And next we put an inverted row. The round part of the piece will be inside, like this, and complete the entire row with inverted pieces like this. I complete this inverted row, and now, very simple, we close the circle and we put one dark purple piece here, and then one light and one dark purple in the third row. And at the end, we complete here with one inverted piece. And if you do not have space for another piece, very simple, we push a little bit. It is paper and is easy to fold. And now we put the last piece and then we push a little bit like this. And we have a small 3D origami closed base. Next we put an entire dark purple row like this. Don't forget to alternate the direction of the row. If you put a row in this direction, the next row put your pieces in the other direction. Next we put one piece here above the light purple piece on the previous row here, and then one light, and we alternate one dark purple with one light until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put 4 normal light purple rows like this. Finish this row and then put another 3. In total 4 light purple rows. Now we push a little bit here like this, and then now we will increase the number of pieces in a row. We increase from 14 pieces in a row now, and we increase to 21. And for this we put one normal piece here like this, and then we put one piece in one edge, and then another piece in another edge like this. And now we increase with one piece. Next we put again one normal, and we repeat this. One normal, and then increase 2 pieces in 2 pockets like this. And one normal. Complete the entire row after this pattern. Normal. Finish the row. Now we have 21 pieces in this last row, and next we put 2 normal light purple pieces like this. Complete this row and then put another one. 2 normal light purple rows. Finish these rows. I finished these 2 light purple rows, and now we put one dark purple and then 2 light, and repeat. 1 purple and 2 light. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put 2 dark purple pieces here above the one from the previous row, and then 1 light, and we repeat this until we finish the row. 2 dark and 1 light. Finish the entire row. Next we increase again, and now we have 21 pieces in this last row, and we increase with 7 pieces, we increase to 28. And we increase with light purple, and we put one piece like this here. Sorry, light purple. After we put this light purple, we put 2 pieces above. Like this. Then we put 2 dark purple, and again here where we increase we put 2 light purple above, like this. and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Here we increase. Finish the row. Now we have 28 pieces in this row, and now we put one dark purple here, then 3 light, and then again one dark purple. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put 2 dark purple here, and then 2 light purple. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the entire row. Next we will push a little like this, and now we will put one light purple here between 2 light purple from the previous row, and we put 2 light purple above. Then we put one dark purple here and another here. Next row, one dark, one light, one dark, then 2 dark, and at the end another one like this. And we repeat every time. We put an increase again here with 1 piece, 2 light purple above, 1 dark purple here and another one in the other part. And here we will have 2 edges free between these 2 sections. And then we complete the entire triangle like this. Complete the entire row after this pattern. Right, and I finish all of this, and we push a little bit here, and our basket is almost finished. And next we make the handle, and for the handle we will glue pieces like this. We start with 2 light purple, and we put another one here above. Then we put 2 dark purple pieces like this, and then another one, and we repeat. We put 3 pieces light purple, and then another 3 in this way. And we repeat this until we have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 24 rows here. And now we will glue the handle. We put here and we glue very well. And before we glue in the other part, we prepare the origami Versailles rose. You will find a tutorial in the description of the video. It is a model created by Krystyna Burczyk, a very beautiful flower and I think not very hard to make. This origami Versailles rose by Krystyna Burczyk, it is made from 5 square piece of paper like this, and the dimension of this square is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and you will find this information in the description of the video. And first we will put the rose inside like this, and then we will glue the handle like this. And my 3D origami basket, it is finished. I hope you enjoyed this model. I want to make little smaller baskets, but made from large pieces, 32 from A4 piece of paper. This is all for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe, rate, make comments and share my videos. Have a nice day.